Hello friends, welcome back. This is fourth part of national income. In case you missed the three parts, you can find them in above cards. In today's video, we are going to discuss about circular flow of income. Let's get started. Circular flow of income. It refers to cycle of generation of income in the production process. Its distribution among the factors of production and finally its circulation from household to firms in the form of consumption expenditure on goods and services by firms. Principles of circular flow of income. First, receipts and payments across different sectors are always equal. Second, corresponding to each real flow in one direction, there is a money flow of income in the opposite direction. Circular flow of income in a two-sector economy. Two-sector model consists of production sectors or firms and household sector. Households are the owners of factor of production and supply factor services to firms. The firms is return make factor payments, so factor payments flow from firms to households. Households spend the entire income on purchase of goods and services produced by firms. Thus, consumption expenditure flows from household to firms, completing the circular flow of income, as shown in figure. Types of circular flows. There are two types of circular flows. First is real flow and second is money flow. Real flow, physical or product flow. It refers to flow of factor services from household to firms and the corresponding flow of goods and services from firms to households. Money flow, income or nominal flow. It refers to flow of money in the form of factor payments from firms to households and the corresponding flow of consumption expenditure from household to firms for purchase of goods and services produced by the firms. Conclusion. Total production of goods and services by firms is equal to total consumption of goods and services by households. Factor payments by firms is equal to factor income of households. Total consumption expenditure by household is equal to total income of firms. Real flow is equal to money flow. Leakages refer to withdrawal of money from the circular flow. They are those flow variables which reduce the flow of income. For example, savings, taxes imposed by the government, imports, etc. Injections refers to the introduction of income into the circular flow. They are those flow variables which increase the flow of income. In the process of production or in the process of income generation in an economy. For example, investment, government expenditure, exports, etc. Phases of circular flow of national income. There are three phases: production, distribution and expenditure in the circular flow of income. In the production phase, income is generated in the income phase, it is distributed, whereas in the expenditure phase, the income is disposed of. In production, income generation phase, firms produce goods and services with the help of factor services. Production of goods and services by firms causes generation of income. In income distribution phase, factor income, wages, rent, interest and profits flow from farms to households according to their contribution to production. In expenditure phase, the income received by factors of production is spent on the goods and services produced by firms. In this way, income generated in production units reach back to the production units and make the circular flow complete. Conclusion: value of output produced is equal to value of income distributed is equal to volume of expenditure incurred in the economy. Next and final video. So that's all for today. In next video, I will take the topic of methods of estimating national income, value added method, income method, and last is expenditure method. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and give your valuable comment. Thank you.